Welcome to the final day of IBA 2025. It has always been a pleasure to be here. The incredible flavor and the energy of this fair makes it a truly unique experience every time. Over the past few days, we've had inspiring conversations and shared valuable insights about the future of our industry. I want to sincerely thank each and every one of you who visited our booth, exchanged ideas, and contributed to making this event such a success. Your engagement has been truly energizing. The baking industry is facing significant challenges: high energy costs and the pressure to digitize, and the need for greater transparency and agility in production. To stay competitive, it's essential to turn data into actionable insights, from detailed error analysis and downtime reduction to enabling flexible software-defined automation and IT/OT integration for paperless production. At ProLeiT and Schneider, we offer products and solutions to face these challenges, and on top of that, we offer strategic partnership. With deep industry and process expertise and strong digital capabilities, we support you on your digital transformation journey. Together, we develop tailored solutions based on standardized concepts, starting with feasibility studies and evolving into scalable, future-ready systems. As we part ways, let's carry the momentum of this fair into our daily work. Together, we can shape a more efficient and resilient, innovative future for our industry. Thank you for being part of this journey, and see you soon.